Hi students, in the previous video we had discussed the expression of concentration of solutions, that is parts per million and mole fraction. In this video we are still under the topic expressing the concentration of solution. In that these are the two topics that we are going to discuss today, that is called about molarity and molality. The two topics are molarity and molality. So first let's continue with the molarity. We know about this one, but still we are working out molarity. Molarity. There is the definition for the molarity. What is the definition? We know number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. What is the definition of molarity? Number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. And this molarity is represented with capital M. Molarity is represented with capital M. When we are writing the formula, how we write is molarity. Molarity, that is the capital M, is equal to number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution, volume of solution in liter, volume of solution in liter. See, these two parts I want to explain in detail. Number of moles of solute. This number of moles of solute in a solution. What kind of solutions we are discussing? Binary solutions. What kind of solutions we are discussing? Binary solutions. In these binary solutions, there are two components. What are the two components? Solute and the solvent. Solute and the solvent. Which is present in more amount? Solvent is present in more amount. So this solvent I am representing as A and solute I am representing as B. Solvent is more in amount, I am representing as A. Solute is less in amount, I am representing as B. This is the general form we generally represent here. Now, number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute, that is N. How to identify? Mass of the solute, mass of the solute by molar mass of the solute, molar mass of the solute. This mass of the solute is represented with small, big, subscripted on the right hand side, because mass is the weight we give. Molar mass of the solute, it is represented with MB. Here M stands for the molar mass of the solute. So these are the two indications that we give to identify the number of moles of the solute. Second thing, volume of the solution in liters. Volume of solution in liters. In liters. That is the volume of solution. P is the volume in 1 liter. Generally we mention here. Here 1 liter is equal to how much ml? 1000 ml. Volume also we mention in ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So if we are clear with these definitions, then we can write the formula in a clear method. That is molarity is equal to Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. How to represent? N. N is nothing but mass of solute by molar mass of the solute. So Wb by Mb. What does this part represents? This represents number of moles of the solute by volume of solution in liter. How do we write the volume of solution? Volume given per liter. VmL by 1000 ml. VmL by 1000 ml. Now shall we make this one further simple? M is equal to, molarity is equal to Wb by Mb into 1000 ml by Vml. 1000 ml by Vml. So this is what our formula. Molarity is equal to Wb by Mb into 1000 ml by Vml. Now we can apply this formula for various problems. Let's see one of the numerical problem. Let us take one of the simple problem just for introduction. Calculate the molarity of solution containing 5 grams of sodium hydroxide in 450 ml of the solution. From this question, it was very clear to calculate the molarity. We know the formula, molarity is equal to mass of the solute by molar mass of the solute into 1000 by V, means volume of the solution. In this question, we were given 5 grams of NaOH. 5 grams of NaOH means mass of the solute is given. But Mb means molar mass of the solute need to be calculated. So let us see what are given. We don't know the M need to be calculated. Wb, that is mass of solute. How much is given? 5 grams it is given. Mb is equal to molar mass of NaOH. How do we calculate the molar mass of NaOH? Sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. Sodium, one sodium is present, its mass is 23 grams plus oxygen. One is present, 16 grams plus 1 hydrogen is present. So grams mole inverse. 40 grams mole inverse is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Next, V, volume of solution in 450 ml solution dimension. So V is equal to volume of solution. How much is given? 450 ml is given. So substitute the values here. M is equal to Wb 5 grams by 40 grams mole inverse into 1000 by how much we had ml? 450 ml. This 1000 ml and 450 ml you can cancel, and you can see this grams and grams you can cancel. How much you are getting? When you have 5 into 1000 by 40 into 450, you can see like 0.275 moles. 275 moles are present. Means the molarity of the solution is 0.275. Let us see another question. Let's read the question number 2 that is given. Calculate the amount of benzoic acid required to prepare 250 ml of 0.15 molar solution in methanol. Methanol is the solvent given here. The solvent What is the solute here? Benzoic acid. They are combined together to give 250 ml of the solution. Means what are given and what need to be calculated. We can know the molarity is equal to WB by MB into 1000 by B. Molarity. When we see the question, 250 ml of 0.15 ml M solution is mentioned. Means already the given molarity is 0.15 M. Molarity was given. WB, amount of benzoic acid. That is weight of benzoic acid. Weight of benzoic acid we need to calculate. Next, MB. MB is equal to molar mass of benzoic acid. Molar mass of benzoic acid. So let us see the formula of benzoic acid first of all. Benzoic acid means C6H5COOH. In this one, how many carbons are there? Here 6 carbons are there. Here totally 7 carbons are there. So 7 into 12 grams plus hydrogens are 6 in number. 6 into 1 gram each plus oxygens are 2. 2 into 16 grams. How much you are getting, children? Please check it. Around 122 grams mole inverse we got. For 1 mole, the mass of benzoic acid is 122 grams mole inverse. Next, M, WB and MB. Next, B, volume of solution. How much is the volume of solution? B is equal to 250 ml. Now let us apply this into the formula. M is equal to WB by MB into 1000 by B is the molarity. But WB we don't know. Then how can we write? WB is equal to M into MB into B upon 1000. What is the molarity given? Molarity given 0.15 into molar mass of benzoic acid 122 grams. Volume of the solution 250 ml. 250 ml upon 1000. So please solve this thing, then you will be getting the answer. 0.15 to 122 into 250 by 1000. It's around 4.575 grams. How much you will be getting? Grams. Because 0.15 molarity is given, that will be cancelled. So amount of benzoic acid required here to prepare 250 ml of 0.15 solution is 4.575 grams. Let us see the next important expressing concentration of solution. This we call molality. Let us see the next expressing concentration, molality. In the case of molality, what did we mention? Number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution we have mentioned. In the case of molarity, number of moles of solute in 1 kg of solid. In 1 kg of solid. Here we are not expressing the solution, but we are observing it dissolved in 1 kg of solid. So how do we give the definition? Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute in 1 kg of solvent. In 1 kg of solvent. That's the definition. Then how do we give the representation? Small m is the representation for molarity. molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilograms. Mass of solvent in kilograms. This is the formula we apply here. We know the number of moles of solute. How to represent the number of moles of solute? There are two components. What are the two components? Solvent plus solute. We know. How do we represent the solvent we mentioned? A. Solute is represented as the B. So number of moles of solute. How to say? M is equal to WB by MB. We have already discussed this one. Next, mass of the solvent in kilograms. Here, mass of the solvent is represented with the symbol WA. It is the symbol WA. So, how to write this one? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute, that is small WB by MB, mass of the solvent in case. Mass of the solvent is A. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So here it is represented as 1000 grams. We can mention. So how do we express this one? WB by MB into 1000 by WA. So this is the formula to express for molarity. Molarity is equal to WB by MB into 1000 by WA. So let us see few numericals on this formula also. Let us see the question. Calculate the molarity of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. When we study this question, they are asking us to calculate the molarity. Means we don't know the M. So M need to be calculated. Of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid. What is this 2.5 grams? Given mass WB of ethanoic acid. What is the formula of ethanoic acid? CH3COOH. How much is it? 2.5 grams. Then MB, molar mass of ethanoic acid. Molar mass of ethanoic acid. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. So 2 into 12 grams plus hydrogens are 4. 4 into 1 gram plus oxygens are 2. 2 into 16 grams. How much we are getting, children? The molar mass, we can say 2, 12, 24 plus 4, 28, 60 grams mole inverse. 60 grams mole inverse is the molar mass of ethanoic acid. Next, mass of the solvent. Here dissolved in benzene is given. Means WA, mass of solvent. That is equal to 75 grams. That is benzene. What is solvent? Solvent is the benzene. So let us substitute the values here. M is equal to WB. How much we had? Let the formula WB by MB into 1000 by WA. So M is equal to WBB means 2.5 grams by MB 60 grams mole inverse into 1000 by 75 grams. So grams and grams you can take up. So we will be having grams mole inverse to express the molarity. Now calculate 2.5 into 1000 by 60 into 75 grams. How much you are getting tonight? 0.556 grams mole inverse. Grams mole inverse. So the molarity of solution we got here. Let's take one more numerical on this one. Let us see the question. Calculate the mass of urea required, that is NH2CO NH2 urea formula, in making 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar solution. Molar solution. So we want to calculate the mass of urea required. Here urea is the solute. Urea is the solute in making 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar solution. Molarity is given. Mass of solution is given, but not the solvent is given. Only solution is given. So in this case, first thing is we want to see our molarity is equal to WB by MB into 1000 by WA. We were already given the molarity. How much is the molarity? 0.25. WB, we don't know this WB. MB is molar mass of urea. What is the molar mass of urea? Urea formula is NH2CO NH2. Here nitrogens, how many are there? 2 are there. 2 into 14 grams. 14s are 828. And here we have hydrogens. Hydrogens are 4 into 1 gram. That is 32 grams up to now. Carbon 1 into 12 grams plus oxygen 1 into 16 gram. So how much we got? Approximately 60 grams mole inverse. Means the molar mass of urea we got 60 grams mole inverse. Please observe here tonight. Whenever we want to find out, in this case, that is amount of solvent. Amount of solvent. That is WA. Amount of solvent. But in the question, solution mass was given. How is the solution prepared? By mixing solvent with the solute. Solvent with the solute. Here, if you want to know the amount of solute, or that is the mass of the solvent, we can find like mass of solution minus mass of solvent. Here this mass of solute. Generally this mass of solute means, in this case, it is the mass of solute per 1 kg of solution. Now, what is the mass of solution given? 2.5 kilograms dimension. 2.5 kilograms can be expressed as 2500 grams. How much we are expressing as? 2500 grams. So now, amount of solute. How to find this amount of solute? The amount of solute can be calculated by moles of solute into moles of the solute. How many number of moles of solute is given here? Into molar mass of solute. So let us see here moles of solute. How do we get number of molar? 0.25 is the number of moles of solute dissolved. Molar mass of solute 60 we got. So 0.25 into 60. How much we got here, children? Around 15. So mass of the solution 2500 minus 15. 2500 minus 15. How much we have? 2485 is the mass of the solvent. It is the mass of the solvent. Mass of the solvent. Now we will apply all these into the formula for getting our result. So let us see here molarity M. We need to calculate the WB. So WB is equal to M into MB into 1000 by the M into MB into WA by 1000. So we know the molarity 0.15 MB. What the molar mass we got? 60 into 2485 upon 1000. How much you are getting, children? This one around 37.275 grams will be getting. So this is the amount of urea that is required. Thank you. In the next class we shall continue with the next topic.